Landlord. Have you say your wife fried garri 3 days ago? Which one you cook root cassava today?
Not be small. Not be small.
All those many garri that day don't just finish.
True. Not be on 3 days ago. We root cassava for our house. We fry garri. Oh. Fry garri. Garri we full garri about 5 baskets we will fry. My wife go use and rent.
Hey,
Go
wait.
rent garri.
I'm not be so money for now.
He say for Yoruba for that side, say that they rent garri. They give people. Say after they don't rent like that 5 baskets, so they can put interest of 2 baskets join her. And you don't really want couple.
Hey, the full 5. What do you want to shop?
This money now go cassava now. He say no fit go cassava.
Jesus.
And
now so your wife they do safe.
2026 so 2026. My wife they rent garri.
And garri do deal.
Not be say if my one of the tenants now rent.
And this one a rainy season, no.
You
they keep farm.
You see so. You see so.
Now what?
I go marry Robo join because this one won't kill me. See.
Which trap your wife be safe?
That be Yoruba.
Jesus, Yoruba people. Hey, now there you go. Jesus.
5 years of madness.
I say make I go Yoruba. Nah, don't go. Nah, need the ass.
Who want to fry this away you?
Like go see. As I dey fry this one like this now, I dey go work iron cage.
Oh, boo. Iron cage.
I don't go meet weather. Yesterday say you go work cage for me. As I dey fry this garri, bam.
Dissolve.
Then they put am for. Make sure in a 5 cut they go make sure I go lock her with 2 kill.
Oh, boo.
Now, don't let me suffer now, the root now.
So your children they not follow you cocoa root?
No, they never carry their mama back character for Yoruba.
Jesus. Hey, your wife not trapped. So.